We were there last year and it was a vibe. This year was on another level. Richie was there.
Outros is in for a treat tonight. Right now it's all about Legend Birthday Bash. Legend Birthday Bash, what you say?
Nah, man, I like you know what they are, I represent, you know it go.
Juggler!
Full in hard course.
Tell them are talking now, Legend Birthday Bash, what you say?
Well, you know, some of them from last year and the year before, because my always support Legend. Legend is like a brother to me. Somebody that for game and support. We cancel a New York trip just because one day I'm earth strong.
What the hell? What's going on, man?
Yeah, brother. I be a high energy activity are going on. So people are enjoying themselves. They're good look.
Yo, what reaction? How you feel about that?
Yeah, man, I feel great, you know. One legend, because at the end of the day, you know, we show love to people and we respect what the people that show back love to. We as a same.
One legend. Big up yourself, bro.
Happy birthday, legend!
Rich, I can find Starry. You know, we there are representing, you know, legend, our general. And we over here on a good fans, the place just loud.
I want to play that song, so I'm going to play it. Can you start it up? Legend, your hands shot, big up yourself, legend.
You don't know what swat this, blow your boy. We are forward, I win out. Cheers.
What if I go to the
You know, exclusive attack, and we're there, freezer to we are legend. Big up yourself, intense.
Finance Minister, every morning,
I just see the face and also see a DJ this year, we represent Hyperactive.
I'm on a bad man, legend. You can't get the pure legend. It's not good. Just like the chip rock. It's not that step. Don't tell me what's back.
The legends come out for Legend Birthday Bash. Legend, big up yourself, bro.
Have you been?